This is my first time at the Norvax University. It's my first time, my first day, and I'm out of contracts. I brought 50 with me and they're gone. I had an enormous response from agents wanting to get appointed, I hand out the form and it's coming back in 5 minutes filled out. I'm blown away. I don't understand it. It's crazy. Other events, I feel like I'm like in a rodeo. I'm trying to lasso agents, trying to get them in, stop by my booth, come talk to me, you know, look what I got to give away. Here I'm being pulled in 100 directions. They want to talk to me. They want my card. They come up right up to me and ask me for the contract on the spot. The contracts I got today, they already tell me they've got agents back at their office, 14 agents, 20 agents, 25 agents that they want to sign up to. So it's like a domino effect. The 50 is going to be 100 and so forth and so forth. Well, I'm here 2 days and I'm pretty sure I'll be busy for the next 6 weeks just following up and calling the agents, probably through the weekends. Coming into this event, I thought it was going to be, when I first got here in the morning, it's going to be a long dog and pony show, sit around my desk or my table, try to get agents to come by. I had no idea what I was getting into. The response that I'm getting from the agents, the coming by the table, it was completely worth the trip, the sponsorship, getting here, the airfare. It's completely 100% worth it. 1,000% worth it. I mean, I was skeptical coming in, and now I would. The next ones you guys have, I'm here. Yeah. I'm signing up. Whatever you have next year, put me on the list. I'm here.
Good deal. Really, they want to make some money, and they're going to try whatever it takes to make it, whether it's something new that they've never tried before. I truly believe that's what makes this event a lot different from anything that we've ever done before. You know, CE courses are great, we need them, but you know what? I think there's a lot more value to this. Us sponsoring this event, what I would tell other carriers or other really companies about sponsoring an event like this, that, you know, we're going to get a lot of value because we're touching and seeing a lot of agents that want to make money, that want to sell, and they want to learn. And, you know, if you're not there representing that or really supporting them, then they're missing out.
Speakers have been amazing. They have taught the agents so much information. As you can see, 300 agents that you bring in as a sold-out show is such an opportunity for us as a carrier to learn from them and to bring in information that we want to show them as well. This event has been one of the best events that you have sponsored. We've been to the last 3 events and the turnout has been amazing. And just the setup with everything and the speakers and the people you have brought in has just been top-notch. Norvax is above anybody that is out there. Compared to other insurance events, Norvax University is a different kind of caliber because, first of all, the amount of agents they bring in, the turnout you have brought in, and the amount of data that you have taught your agents. That is different than what I have experienced. I work with the top agencies in the country. You bring all of them in, along with independent agents that are top in the industry as well. So from across the country, some domiciled in Florida, you bring in agents that fly in across the country over, what was it, 20-some states? And that's amazing that they're paying money to fly in, first of all, and then come here to learn all that information. So that is different above the rest.
Norvax University, being a premier sponsor for them, has been great for Humana One. The agents, the caliber of the agents that are coming here are fabulous. They're interested, they're engaged. They're the agents that are ready to increase their business. They're ready to move to the next level, and this is a great place for them to help them do that. The speakers at Norvax University were incredible. They're very engaging. They got the audience engaged. I think it's a great experience for any agent, a brand new agent, an agent that's been in business 20 years. It's going to give something to everyone that comes.